Next, set the text content of the total score text to the value of total score. So we have to access the property, use the property text content, um, uh, uh, and then assign it to total score. Okay, wait, what? Next, set the text content, okay, of the total score text to the value of total score. Okay, and then again, what does the text content do? You mean accessing an element to manipulate or modify the content of that element, which is in our case the total score text. And below that, append. It says below that, append the following template literal to score history's element. So if we go up, score history does really exist, and it is a variable which is assigned to the document get element by ID with an ID of score history. So it is an element just assigned to the variable score history. Therefore, this is an element score history, and if it's an element and we have to append something, especially on an HTML, therefore we have to use the inner HTML. And then append, what does append do? It means to add or attach something. In our case, it would be this template literal, and since it is a template literal, we use the backticks and then copy paste. So we use the inner HTML property to access the HTML document to be manipulated from the JavaScript, which we are doing it right now. And nice.